I like to test the joint play and good. It's not, and she did with that one. You don't always get that, but that one you did there actually. So we'll start off with the hand and wrist adjustment. Good. And the different ranges of motion here. Patient check. Good. And I start with all the way up top here. We're going to start our adjustment up and we're going to make our way down here. So I like to start off with we're going to be doing the T1 adjustment on the left here. Good. That moved really well. And then we're going to be coming down to the T2 on that right. Perfect. Breath in and exhale all the way out. Perfect. That right there, and I felt that, go back into place. Breath in and exhale out. Perfect.
All right. You feel that tension right there? Mm-hmm. Good, nice. Wow. Yep. Big difference. Good.
Big difference. Big difference, good.
Yeah, right there. So the location I'm adjusting him, guys, is right through the middle of the worst arthritis. And the reason we're doing that is because that's where he pivots. That's where his most leverage is on. I'm not adjusting his atlas. I'm adjusting just the middle of his neck, right again where the arthritis is. Good.
Here, let me lighten that load a little bit. You're not quite as big as the last person in here. There you go. And see, I'm adjusting her right SI joint directly at a 45-degree angle, the way the joint lines up, and then her sacrum straight superior to inferior. Her left SI joint is also at a 45-degree angle.
L4, L5.
L4, 5, yeah. Same area. There. Okay, there we go. Okay, got one more right here. Boy, you're being tough on me today, aren't you?
I know.
Making me work for it. Well, it's been a while for you though, huh?
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, slide. Okay, rest your shoulders, your clavicles, and your anterior ribs. There you go. Okay, you can relax your hands on your tummy now. Just let your leg relax in my hand here. Okay, let me get another one. There you go. Did you feel that one up there more?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm about to pull you off the table. Don't worry, I haven't lost patient on the floor yet. I won't start with you. I never hear the end of it. Okay, let's hit you. It's a little lateral play. Do you feel that?
Mhm.
Looseness? When you're exercising, are you exercising your quad and your ham?
Mhm.
Okay, sorry. This one's a little loose too, but this one's not hurting like this one. They're clicking, is it?
No.
Just-
That is very nice.
Well, that's it. Here, one more. There you go. Got you on that one.
Oh God.
Feel a little taller now?
Jeez.
Yeah. Okay. Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder where your left big ear. There you go. Better. Better. Now left ear to left shoulder where your right big toe. Much better.
Wow.